Alright, last year we had Irene, this year we have Sandy, and it's only like drizzling right now, and we're getting some crazy wind gusts. I have everything strapped down, all my boats are tied down. It's not really raining too bad right now. My car is on the front yard. Hopefully this doesn't pan out to be a crazy storm, a hurricane as they're calling it. Luckily most of the leaves are off the trees, except for the maple right here. But hopefully we get through this and everybody's fine. Atlantic City right now is I think a lot of the boardwalk is destroyed. They said the hurricane is going to hit land around 6. It's like 5:30 right now. It's only drizzling. It's not even really raining that bad. It was raining hard earlier. My neighbor, I don't know if you can see it. My neighbor's tree broke. A piece of it fell. So, I'll give you guys an update a little bit later. Oh yeah, the Plymouth is gone too. No more Plymouth. That's what was parked right where I'm standing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Lots of little sticks falling, but that's little sticks. I'm just hoping trees don't come over, because that would be horrendous. So, alright, that's it for now.